Welcome to your guide to the Regent Task Chair. Inside your packaging you will find one backrest, a seat, a 5-point base, a pair of arms, one gas lift, a set of 5 casters and fittings including a set of bolts, covers and an Allen key. Assembly. Take the base and push in the 5 casters. Put the telescopic shroud over the gas lift and insert the gas pump into the base. Put the upended seat onto a solid flat surface. Use the 3 bolts to secure each armrest. Slide the backrest plate into the seat channel and secure with the 4 bolts supplied. Take the seat and backrest assembly and carefully position it on the base and gas lift unit. Sit on the unit to lock the seat to the backrest. Functions. The arms are adjustable for a variety of movements. They rotate left and right for best possible forearm support. They also move forwards and backwards. The arms have height adjustment by moving the lock button on the side. A lever on the right can be lifted to release the gas height adjustment. Take your weight off the chair and allow the chair to rise. The lever locks the seat in any desired position. The round knob on the left can be twisted anti-clockwise to release the synchro tilt action. Twist it clockwise to lock the tilt in your desired position. The synchro tilt has an anti-shock feature. The Regent has an adjustable lumbar pad behind the mesh back. Move it up or down to suit comfort and support requirement. 2 rotating knobs on the right control the seat. The first at the back adjusts the angle of the seat, which includes a forward tilt facility. The front wheel adjusts the tension of the tilt. A lever on the left can be flipped to release the seat slide mechanism. The back height can be adjusted by lifting the back to the top of its height limit and letting it drop to the bottom. That's it. Enjoy your Regent Task Chair.